Hello friends, my name is Sandeep. Today I will discuss with you that how to make a curtain in 3ds Max 2019. You need to download raw textures from internet which you want. Okay, then open 3ds Max and click on customize and choose here unit setup. Okay, now we have to change unit setup, so click on matrix and set in centimeter. Okay, now under create panel, this is create panel, click on here and click on geometry. Okay, and select a plane and drag like this. Change its length into 96 centimeter, this 96 inches. Okay, this is inch, and width value 72 inch. Okay, this is inch. Now change length segments value and width segments value also. Okay, so here I say that length segments should be 50 and also width segments will be 50. Okay, but here nothing is happening if you are changing length value and width value, segments value. This is in 2019. Okay, if you are using older version of 3ds Max, then you will not face this type of problems. But if you are using 2019, then you will get this type of problem. So if segments is not appear, then press F4. Okay, select first this and press F4, then you will get all the vertex and segments. Now change location value and location value of x and y and z 0. Then take a box like this. Okay, and you have to increase height of box. Length is okay, width is okay. Okay, now click on this selection box and change location of x and y in 0. Okay, now under modifier tab, this is modifier tab, click on this modifier and click on modifier list, type cloth. Okay, now click on object properties. Now click on add object and select plane. Okay, you have to make box as collision object, so select box and mark on collision object, and you have to make plane as a cloth, so click on plane and select cloth. Under cloth properties, already there are many presets is available. So in this case I am going to select cotton. Now click on OK. Okay, select this plane and click on this cloth and click on group. Okay, press F4 front view and press F3 for wireframe view. You have to select alternative vertex. When you will select vertex, then you have to press Ctrl. Okay, then you have to select alternative vertex like this. So this is alternative vertex. Okay, sorry, it will take few seconds or a minute, I don't know. You can forward video for few seconds or a minute. Okay, now I have selected alternative vertex. Now click on this make group and OK. Okay, now you have to click on sim nodes, press F3 and click on this box. When you click on this box, you will get this tab of notification here. Okay, now you have to click on plot and click on simulate local DAM and choose box and press R. Okay, like this. Oh, just wait for a few minutes and this is making a curtain. Okay, just wait for few seconds. Okay, you can press R, sorry, and you can adjust from here like this. Okay, this will take few minutes or second, that depends on your PC configuration. Okay, and click on this and press M for material tabs. Press M for material, click on this, press M for material tabs. Auto key, what is this? Sorry, press M for material tabs. I was pressing N. Okay, so I'm getting red color of notification. So press on M and drag any materials on this. Now you don't have to click on this white color. Okay, you have to click on this none under diffuse. Now select bitmap and OK. Now you have to choose that image textures which you have downloaded from internet. In this case I have downloaded in downloading files. Okay, so this is download files and this is plot textures. Okay, but here nothing is happening when I select this plot textures. So you have to click on this icon. Now you can see, press F4. Okay, and this is cloth. But what is this? You can see that this is dark area. This is in 3ds Max 2019. Okay, so if you want to fix it, then you have to click on standards and per view preset. Under lighting default settings, you have to select 2 default lights and drag little bit like this and check on all, apply all views, and this problem is solved now. Okay, you can do one thing more. Okay, so let's start. Click on this and click on this space wraps and we have to select wind forces like this. Okay, This is angle snapping, so click on this and change its angle value 90. Now make sure you have to on angle snapping and you have to click on rotation and change its value. Under modifier tab I am going to give a strength value 3. Okay, now click on this and we have to click on cloud force and select wind, click on this and this. Now simulate local dam. Oh, this is magic. Okay, this is wind, and I want to say sorry for my bad English. My English is not so good as it should be. Still I will try to speak English because I want to make a lot of tutorials on 3ds Max, but I also want that many people should watch my tutorials, so I am trying to speak English language. I know that my English is not so good. Sorry for this. Uh, I hope that you will support me to make more tutorials. But I will improve my English as much as possible. Thanks for watching this video and see you in next video tutorials. Thanks for watching.